Good morning guys, so today is 2 weeks and 4 days until Dubshed. We've got the M3, we've got James and we've got Jordan, and we're at BMW in Belfast, Bavarian, and we're gonna go see about some
modifications.
We're here to get a carbon kit and an M Performance exhaust. That's what the car looks like currently. What do you think, James? Looking forward to it?
I can't wait. I like that yellow one.
I like the yellow one. It's gonna sound pretty different. I actually want to get a shot of what it sounds like now so we can like put it in after. I think that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, let's go on inside. Ooh. That's pretty cool.
Oh, that's alright. Yeah. I'm gonna buy one of them thermoses.
Which one?
I'll tell you right here. Over to the left here. Right here. Look at that.
If I had a dog, I'd totally have one.
I want one of these here. Need to get one of these for the office. How's it going?
How you doing?
Here to get an exhaust and carbon kit fitted.
Yeah, not a problem, not a problem. Just with a few bits and pieces on it there, information. Do you want to come through and I'll show you the exhaust here?
Yeah, sweet.
Right, not a problem.
Is this it? See the size of this box.
What did you get?
You got a whole new car in here. That is this is like BMW parts heaven. That's what I'm talking about, James.
Think it's gonna be loud?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be loud. Carbon tips.
Nice.
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 I really hope I never break this, James.
Aye, that is famous last words.
That is something that's gonna potentially get broken. Oh, here, yeah. There's the key.
Happy days, no problem.
Not far. Look who's here. Look who's here.
Yeah. Hi. You doing? Work here. Parts manager I am. Yeah, my job.
Are you the one fitting this exhaust?
I am.
I'll jam that down for you. So as you may have noticed, we are in the workshop of Bavarian.
There's lots of BMWs.
There is lots of BMWs. They've been so kind to let us actually into the workshop while the work's going on. So because we know Stuart, we're gonna check out while he fits the exhaust first, and then the carbon kit's gonna be fitted later, and then it has to bond overnight, and then we're gonna pick it up tomorrow. So, but we're gonna check out some of the exhaust going on, which is gonna be pretty cool.
This is where I'll be putting it.
Alright, so what are these?
These are your rear cats, so you've got four cats all together, 2 up at the turbos, and then 2 here. Basically you just take away any like smells or any of that you'll get.
Because I was asking Adam if that went onto the manifold, but that is clearly way further on up here.
It goes on here and then goes to the back. Does away with this resonator.
Right.
You see it turns into like a wee H pipe. And then obviously does away. That actually is.
So is this the same sort of thing going on?
Kitchen pack, you get a different back box than what you would on a normal M3.
Okay.
Slightly sportier one.
Loud.
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 Very loud. It is already loud.
It is already loud.
But yeah, it's a lot louder. definitely.
So we just heard the exhaust going, but we're not going to put it in the video yet because it's getting its carbon kit now. But that has to bond, so we're just going to come back tomorrow and then pick it up then. It sounds good. You'll find out. You'll find out soon.
Good work. Back once again with the Renegade Master.
So it's day 2. We're here to pick up the car. We've got the movie today. We're going to get some shots of it finished, hopefully in the workshop.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. Visitor.
Oh, Jamie.
Sorry.
That's serious.
I like this little one.
I like those TVs in the back.
Look at these wee bits and all that.
Yeah, that's a lot of it.
It's actually got a bit of camera on it too. Look at that.
Big X-Files.
Oh well. Pretty cool, isn't it?
Jeepers, oh.
Awesome. Well, here. Thank you very much.
Thanks very much, Adam. Thank you.
And we'll just go find Stuart and find the car.
My head.
Oh, thank you.
Where do you want it positioned? Like I can put an angle.
That looks pretty good. I liked whoever screamed, like that was good. Let's go grab it outside before we get in trouble.
Okay.
I think I'm happy. What do you think?
I think it sounds well and everyone seems to be annoyed.
Everyone seems to be annoyed. Awesome. One more.
Alright, see you later.
See you later.